Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. Silvercrest water filtration vacuum cleaner for thorough floor cleaning and fresh dust-free air. With automatic cable rewind, air volume 26 liters per second, 6.5 meters cable with powerful 650 watts motor. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Wow! That is a huge vacuum. Oh yes. Wow. Unbelievable. I have made so many videos with vacuum cleaners. That is the first time that I see a huge vacuum. Included, of course, we have in the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. And I think it is huge because it has the water tank for the dust. Now let's see one by one what accessories we have at the box. Telescopic tube, adjustable, soft grip here, just pull and adjust the length. The floor nozzle, brass at the front, here soft silicone here. We have two wheels, soft wheels, it will not damage your sensitive floor. Adjustable up and down, rotates 360 degrees with a switch floor nozzle. And you can connect that at the telescopic tube. And of course we have the spiral tube. You can connect that here. The air control at this position. And the connection for the vacuum. Press and it locks. Press to unlock. Now at the vacuum, press this button here and you can open the lid. And inside we have the defoamer. I will show you how you can use that at this storage area. We have the cushion nozzle, the Gravis nozzle. I like the storage. Here we have the air exhaust. You can remove this plastic cover, silicone rubber in here. Ultra clean exhaust air thanks to the triple filter system. One filter here. One sponge here, and of course here it is and the tank. With a handle you can remove the tank. There's the tank, huge tank. We have the minimum and maximum capacity for the water. As you have already understand, you don't need any bag or empty the dust. You have this tank inside with the water will be capture all the dust. And of course you can remove the cover and the filter and this plastic and you can clean it. No problem, very easy to clean. Put back again the plastic. We have silicone rubber around here. It will capture all the dust inside the container. Install the filter and with the handle back at the vacuum. So easy. Silicone rubber in here at the front, sealing very well the spiral hose. Close that, and that was all. Press with the button to open. And we have the handle. The on-off switch here. Left and right at the vacuum, always we can check the water capacity and the dust. Same in here. I need to install this cover, of course. It is for the exhaust. At the back we have some filters. Pull this plastic sponge here, and here we have the filters. Press, remove the filters. Replace the filters after a long time of use. Triple filter system. Amazing. That is the first time that I see that type of vacuum. And again, install the plastic. And of course at the back we have the cable. Pull the cable, it locks, then pull a little bit. .5 meters cable. And at the bottom, soft wheels, 360 degrees, 2 wheels. Nice. It feels very robust. Definitely I would like to see how it works and what is the performance. Now let's put some water inside. You don't need to remove all the tank, just remove the cover. A little bit more. And we are at max. And of course we need this foam stop. Defoamer for water filtration vacuum cleaners. Prevents foam build-up. Only 2 ml. That is okay. And we have the storage. Very convenient. And done. So easy. Here we can see the water capacity. Shake it a little bit. Nice. So let's test it. Advanced water filtration system traps dust, dirt and allergens in the water tank, reducing airborne particles, ideal for allergy sufferers. High efficiency 650 watts motor for consistent and reliable cleaning results. Ensure deep cleaning even for stubborn dirt and pet hair. multi-surface cleaning, effective on carpets, hard floors, upholstery and tiles. Now let's check what is the damage at the container. The transparent water tank easily monitors water levels during use. I don't see any leakage. The filter, clean, perfect. Nice! All the dust inside of the container. So let's move on. And don't forget, every time you finish the vacuuming, empty the water and the dust from the container and then storage the vacuum. Very clean, no water. Compact and maneuverable, lightweight design with wheels for easy movement around your home. Why to choose this vacuum cleaner? Healthier environment, the water filtration system helps reduce allergens and fine dust particles. Eco-friendly, no need for disposable vacuum bags, making it a sustainable choice. Perfect for pet owners, effectively picks up pet hair and reduces allergens. Convenient maintenance, rinsing the water tank is quick and hassle-free. And that's the Silvercrest water filtration vacuum cleaner. With its innovative water filtration system, this vacuum is perfect for anyone looking for cleaner, fresher air while keeping their home spotless. From powerful suction to tackling allergen and dust with ease, it's the ultimate cleaning companion for modern households. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more home appliance reviews, cleaning tips and product insights. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your home clean, your air fresh, and I'll see you in the next video.